Hi everyone, this is Emil, freelance translator at Germanling.com, and I want to show you a quick hack how you can use ChatGPT to extract keywords and translate them from any text, and that will then simplify your machine translation workflow. So, first of all, here I have a sample text on Wikipedia. It has a couple of specific keywords that I want to standardize in my output. So I basically copy pasted this text. Then I created a prompt in ChatGPT, extract the translation relevant keywords from the following text and output these keywords and the corresponding English translations as a comma separated value CSV format file, because the CSV format is what you use to feed glossaries into most of the translation tools. So then I pasted the text as you see here, just simply copy pasted, and then I got a list. So this list I then pasted into a notepad file and created a CSV file from it. Um, and you see here I had to change it a little bit, like this term Hochdachkombi, I changed it to leisure activity vehicle after doing some research. Might not even be the right term, who knows? But this is just a test case. So PKW, I changed it to passenger, no passenger car was correct. So you see a lot of the hits were correct. Some terms like these brand names, I don't need to actually include them in my glossary because the machine translation system will recognize them automatically. Um, and some terms I had to change, like I didn't want to have loading volume, I wanted to have cargo space, so I changed that, things like that. Or if you have or you can also set like strollers, like baby strollers that have different names in different countries, so you could kind of use it for this purpose. Um, or also Kastenwagen, I think it was translated as a van, so that's not very accurate. And apparently they are called panel vans, so that's kind of what I did here. Then I go into DeepL. If I have the advanced, like the Pro version, I can upload the whole CSV file. In my case, I don't, so I just had to like manually enter these keywords, or at least a couple of them. And then DeepL will, when I paste my source text in German, will then use the terminology that I prefer, and that is going to save me a lot of post-editing effort, at least in my test case, um, because the language usually doesn't, you don't need to change the sentences that much. The languages do not need that much editing, but it's usually researching the terms. And if you do it ad hoc while you're translating, it takes a lot longer. So it's much easier to kind of just pull the keywords, translate them up front, and then feed them into your translation system. So you see right here, it's using all the terms that I prefer. So yeah, that is one simple way to use Chat GPT to simplify your translation workflow. I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.